We're gonna die. It's fine.
How you feeling?
We're gonna die.
We're not gonna die. Record me in case I do die.
Oh, that's so sad. Probably shouldn't be by this big ass.
I matter.
Honestly, this is like actual shit.
Or we got some other survivors.
Look at Riding his bike.
If she doesn't have an umbrella or a coat.
See, some people don't care.
And he's riding a bike.
5 people riding bikes. How are they not falling?
So we're being kicked out of the building.
Into the building.
Further into the building.
I'm not trying to die. Yeah.
Did you know that there's like a whole camp of people? You want to sit?
There's chairs right there.
You want to give up?
Oh, but they're right by the window.
Perfect place to be. Look at how big. Look at how much glass. How much glass would really hit us?
Time.
Yeah.
She left. She saw us move from the window. We're walking outside.
The audacity that someone wants us to be safe.
I definitely should. You know what I hate seeing? This is gonna be problematic if you turn it off.
It's off.
I can literally see. How old do you think I am?
We're vaping outside during a tornado. Is he
See that puff of smoke?
Is he smoking?
Yes.
She's watching the Great British Baking Show, but here's a secret. I'm not gonna let her watch it. She doesn't know this, she can't hear me.
I can definitely hear you fully.
But, alright, we are out here. What's the word I'm looking for?
World.
Okay. We're out here in the...
Yeah.
in the world. It seems as if society has continued. Resumed. Hey, yo, Rodney. How you doing? Give me a high five.
Since I thought we were supposed to be outside, I just
Hello.
Oh.
Hi.
Can you not say that?
Hi, Carson. How you feeling?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. Do you want to say something about yourself?
Hi.
Carson is shaping up to be great. What happened?
My drink almost fell off every day. He's like,
Hi, Nara.
you wave it out, and then everyone's like, what's in the bottom? And then just like,
I don't wave like that.
you really do.
The altos are so dysfunctional. Marla, would it upset your section if I stood on that chair and took a overhead of everybody?
I feel like, go ahead.
Oh my god, she's actually agreeing to it.
What?
The door is
Hear you
open.
If you speak words. Y'all are annoying.
We're looking for MJ. This sounds like an adventure. There, he's right there. He's literally right there.
So written above the tenor singing.
Never mind.
They're not gonna let me in. Hi, sopranos.
Hi.
Hi, tenors. Where are the altos? Oh my god. Oh my god. What is happening? Oh my god. Altos.
Hello.
That is done.
What?
Oh, you're doing the same outfit. outfit. Oh my goodness. I didn't even
Damn. That's the question.
Damn. Definitely.
How'd you feel about your first rehearsal?
I loved it.
Oh, that's so great.
It was great.
How was your guys' first rehearsal?
Amazing. Wonderful.
Woo!
It was,
Shit, wait, no, just kidding.
It was okay?
it was fun.
Okay, I'm glad. I don't know, you guys look cute.
Like a diverse group of friends.
VCU diversity.
Diversity.
Oh my god. Vlogger records the death of diverse group of college students.
You should just like smash them all in. Don't have an interval. Look at this. You should have shed.
Do you want to go in?
No, Ivy. What? Oh Jesus.
Whenever girls are in a group, guys just feel easy. Like they guys or like
Is that something? Don't have an interval. Doggy.
Cute doggy. Ice cream.
Between my home and Walmart. But if I walk to Walmart, it's more exercise than walking to my room.
closes in 15 minutes, so just
Walk, don't ride. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Salted caramel cluster. That's what you like, right? Okay.
Why is this over here with tools and ice cream?
I think these would look amazing on you.
No.
That's awesome. Oh my god, are those pink camo? It's the pink. What environment are you gonna be where pink camo helps you blend in?
She's locking.
She's locking the entrance. Can you read? Real quick. Enter, exit. I was showing my sister the vlog of you, me in it. She was like, "Who do you know that's important enough to vlog?"
Like
And I was
5
like,
Nobody.
no one.